Hi guys, welcome to Abian TV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this yummy pepper puff puff easy and fast method. Alright guys, before we go into the cooking process, remember to subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this. And also, I'll be leaving the full ingredient description down below. Please make sure to check that out. Let's get started. Start by adding all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. I'm using 3 cups of flour for this because this is what I want to use. You need sugar to taste, depends on your preference, but I will use 1 cup of sugar to give it a sweet taste. Then I will add half tablespoon of instant yeast because I want the mix to rise in a room temperature. Also, add half teaspoon of nutmeg to give it a good aroma. Get your spatula to mix all the dry ingredients together. Create a hole in the center of the mix and add 1 cup of warm water. Make sure to use warm water for this and not cold or hot so it doesn't mess up your puff puff. Mix with a spatula or your hands until the flour has soaked up all the liquid. It's better you add water in a bit so you can get a better consistency. Continue mixing until you achieve a smooth paste like this. Cover the paste with a kitchen towel, transfer to one place and allow to proof for 45 to 1 hour. It's been an hour. Now you can see it has risen. Next, we are going to remove the air bubbles out of the paste. Mix it together with your spatula. I will add little Scotch bonnet and then give it more mix. To fry this puff puff, heat up enough oil in a pan or pot on medium heat. I strongly advise you oil the palm of your hands so you don't get that much stickiness when dropping the batter into the oil. Begin to mold the batter one after the other. You have to be fast with the scoop. If not, you will see that a portion of the puff puff is already getting cooked before the other gets into the pan, so be mindful of that. Frying takes up to 6 to 8 minutes per batch on medium heat, but ensure to move the batter in the pan consistently to allow for even browning. Now the puff puff is very ready when it is golden brown in color. Take it off the pan and transfer into a bowl lined with paper towel. Guys, see how yummy our puff puff looks. And this is what the inside looks like. I usually enjoy mine with a glass of juice or milk. So guys, this is how easy and fast it was to make this puff puff recipe. Thank you guys for watching.